Stop scrolling. Two big job opportunities in Pakistan for 2026 are live right now. First job is from College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan, CPSP. They are hiring for the position of office boy. This is a full-time job. Candidates with middle or matric education can apply. Age limit is up to 30 years and experience will be preferred. Second opportunity is from State Bank of Pakistan. Yes, the central bank SBP has announced OG3 and OG4 position in the Banking Policy and Regulation Department. These are permanent government level jobs based in Karachi. Both jobs have the same deadline. Last date to apply is 23rd February 2026. Details, eligibility and apply links are explained in the full video. Don't miss out. Watch the full video and apply today. Thanks.